have people ask me about changing the size of their stitches, and I thought this would be a great place on this pantograph that we're working on to show you. Now, when I set up my Intelliquilter, I like the speed to be 1.0, the details to be 0.9, and on my Lucy, I like my stitch size to be 9.5. Well, on our APQS machines, we turn the stitch regulator off. So when your stitch regulator is off, the dial would reference your motor speed. It would not be the number of stitches per inch any longer. So I just paused this project, and I wanted you to see on the screen, this is how my speed is set, and I have the dial on Lucy at 9.5. And this is how I like my stitches to look. With stitches, let's take a look and see what that looks like. Now I have chosen my speed at 1.4, my details at 1.3, but I have not changed my motor speed. I'm expecting this to have my stitches much larger. And they are. I increased the speed on Lucy, and let's see if I like this. Now my speed is 1.4, my details 1.3, and Lucy is actually almost at 11 for a motor speed. I've changed the speed now to 0.6, the details 0.5, and I've turned Lucy down to 8.5. Stitches are a little large for my liking, and the movement of the machine is very relaxing, but it certainly would take a long time to finish a project at this speed. I'm going to pause it. I want to talk to you about something that's on your ribbon that you may not have paid any attention to. Did you know there's a built-in feature to help you decide if you're choosing a good speed for this or not? So let's just go ahead and put this back up. 1.3, 1.2, and I'm going to turn up Lucy's motor speed again. We have a trace function on the tablet. So now let's look up at the tablet, and you will be able to see how accurately we are following this design. On the ribbon, you have hide trace. When you touch it, that becomes active, and now you're going to see exactly how accurately I'm staying to this design as I stitch at a higher speed. It stayed really accurate at that speed. The main point here in this discussion is you need to take the time to find out what the speed and the details and your speed on your machine really do for your stitches. You will find the ones that you love. There will be times that you'll be doing dense quilting and you need to make your stitches very small. If you find yourself in a design that has a lot of detail, changing directions, you're going to want to slow down. But remember that the show trace and hide trace is on the ribbon, and that will help you decide if you're accurately following a digitized design. Okay, so let's recap. When we set up a machine for a customer and you're just starting out, the speed of 1.0 and 0.9 is a good speed. I mean, really and truly, it's a good, comfortable speed. You can accomplish a lot of things. It is not by any means as the fastest that Intelliquilter can go. If you have questions about the different speeds, I think I would want you to spend time at your machine and find your speed for yourself, which your speed also dictates your size of your stitches. So this is something that you will want to spend some time on. Totally fun stuff to do.